If you use your mouse more often than keyboard and you say yourself a tech nerd, then you are wrong. Using a keyboard more than mouse not only increases your productivity but also saves your time. So, in this video I will make you a keyboard expert with all these shortcut keys. Hello everyone, my name is Raghav Bajaj and you are watching Products for Pro. And I make videos related to tech and tutorials. So do subscribe and also press the bell icon to never miss any upload. First one, rather than typing settings in your search bar, what if I tell you that there is a better way to go into settings of your system? Just by pressing Window key plus I and see, the settings dialog box opens. What comes to your mind when I say about taking a screenshot in your PC? Just going to snipping tool I think. But instead, you can type Window key plus Shift plus S and now you can capture a screenshot. And make sure to follow what I am doing on my computer to edit and save it, as I have done it and you can see it. Next, if you like to chat from your PC, then you may have come across this problem of using emojis, or you may have installed an extension, but in reality you don't have to do any of it. Just press Window key plus period and you will have Microsoft's own emoji collection, and there are tons of different emojis here, as you can see. If you are going away from your PC and don't want anyone sitting beside you to go through your system, then you can just press Window key plus L to lock your system in a cool way and to keep visitors out. I might say that this one is very helpful. Now, coming up shortcut keys will blow your friend's mind, so tighten your seatbelts. Next comes making a folder. A normal person will make one with mouse just like I did now. But not you. You will make it out of nowhere with just keyboard by pressing Ctrl Shift N. Let's rename it new video and see, just like that a new folder is created. Another one is for systemizing your work or for making your work easy by opening virtual desktop in no time just by pressing Ctrl Win T and your virtual desktop is created. Now, what if you want to navigate between your virtual desktops? Then you can do that by pressing Ctrl Win and left or right arrow keys, as you can see. If you know or don't know, but Task Manager is a very useful tool to force stop any application or to check CPU and GPU usage or to even stop and start up app. And to do all or any of it, just press Ctrl Shift and Escape and now you can do pretty much everything I just said. This shortcut key I'm going to talk about will save you a lot of time and also will help you while making blunders. As you can see that on screen, I am giving a demo of how to use clipboard by just doing some copy and paste, and as I am showing that if you want to copy something that you copied a while ago, then you can press Window key plus V to use clip. If you have a lot of apps open on your screen and you want to minimize all of them to organize work, then you can use Window key plus T to minimize all the open windows, just like I did. Last but not the least, ask your friends to change the orientation of your computer screen and see how confused he will become, but not you. Just press Ctrl Alt and any arrow key for the direction you want to change it to. And see, I'm doing it now. Thanks for watching. I hope you have learned something new today. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you and have a nice day.